So you know what is happening. So the for IIT joint entrance exam, right? 2025, there are a couple of important chapters. It's very crucial because the solving numerical is one of the biggest challenges so far, right? So we have gathered a few important chapters. So basically, you have to be very careful on those chapters because lots of the probability of coming numericals, it's very high actually coming, right? So I'll be just quickly sharing a couple of chapters. Then you need to focus in a maximum way. So you have to get your concept cleared, and you need to study all the small concepts that are given in those chapters, right? So yeah, for example, the magnetic effect of electric current, it is very important chapter. Okay, and now the associated topics or the subtopics, right? Because solving numericals, again I'm telling, is a time consuming and you have to be expert in those, right? So I'm quickly sharing my the chapter's name and the subtopics that you have to be, you have to focus on those things. Okay, so for example, I'm starting with the magnetic effect of electric current. It is a very important chapter. So first, I'm starting with the Biot-Savart law, right? Biot-Savart law, basically, this topic has a lots of numerical, scope, probability, then its application, then Ampere's law. Okay, so long current carrying straight conductor, force on a moving charge. This is again I'm telling it's very important. So calculating force on a moving charge under uniform magnetic field. Okay, now again I'm coming to force on a current carrying conductor. This is another very hot topic. So the force between two parallel current carrying conductors. Okay, so from there you can also concentrate on the force or torque. Torque experienced by current carrying loop in the uniform magnetic field. Okay, so again the dipole moment, the concept of dipole moment comes. So basically what you have to take. So first actually force on a current carrying conductor in a uniform magnetic field. So you know the formula, right? F is equal to I into L cross B, right? It's a very fundamental formula. So you have to apply the vector. So this formula has a lots of extension, and from that fundamental formula you need to solve many numerical. Okay, then it is coming the magnetic force, and after that electromagnetic induction. Okay, so basically the electric generator and the electric motor. Okay, and obviously I told you Biot-Savart law. Okay, another important chapter is electrostatics. Yes, so electric field, electric flux, for example Gauss's law, and its application to find electric field due to infinitely long charge conductor, right, or straight wire. Okay, so this you have to study well. So the exam is coming, and whatever the numericals are there, just try to solve using this concept. Okay, so Gauss's law is very important, right? Next, another important concept, equipotential surface. Equipotential surface, just note it down. Electrical potential energy of a system of 2 point charges in an electrostatic field, right? So this you have to also keep in mind. Okay, clear? Yeah, so I'm just quickly checking. So is there anything other I'm missing something? Yeah, so this is very important. I'm telling once again. So electric flux, okay. So equipotential surface, I'm repeating, equipotential surface, electrical potential energy of a system of 2 point charges. Okay, so whatever numerical you are finding from different sources and books, just try out. Okay, the more you practice, the more you have the confidence, getting the confidence solving numerical in the exam. Okay, because time is very limited. Okay, now capacitance, capacity, capacitor, capacitance formula. I think it is very 90% chance out of 100 that it will be coming, one or two, one numerical must be coming. So capacitance of a parallel plate circuit, simple. Okay, so with and without dielectric medium. So dielectric constant is very important here. Okay, dielectric medium you have to add and you need to solve numericals, right? So the electrostatics and the magnetic effect of electric currents are the two hot chapters in for this upcoming JEE and other competitive exam. And now, third one, optics. Basically, ray optics, the wave optics are all two are crucial chapters. But frankly speaking, there is no particular suggestion because in wave optics, coherent light sources, then single slit, double interference single slit, diffraction, then polarization are very, very important concept. Okay, and in ray optics, the microscope, the spherical mirrors and lens, very hot topic, and you have to very careful while solving numericals because the positive and negative sign are connected here, right? So another, prism, minimum deviation, angle of deviation, okay, prism angle, also these are the hot topics. So please be in mind that you cannot skip those chapters that I'm telling you. So far, electrostatics, optics, magnetic effect of magnetic effect of electric current or electromagnetic induction. So these three chapters are very hot topics in this current this year for IIT JEE and other competitive exams, particularly for IIT JEE. And another most important thing, thermal physics. Under thermal physics, thermal equilibrium or thermodynamics, law of thermodynamics, the concept of temperature, okay, and from there some numerical. There is a very high chance that the numerical will come because the efficiency and the Carnot engine, right? So the Carnot engine and the efficiency I'd like you to add as a numerical. So be in mind. Okay, so these are the few things, and okay, so now okay, so so I have now informed you about the four chapters, important chapters and the subtopics, right? Again tomorrow I'll be coming with the suggested numericals. Tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow, suggested numericals. Okay, the level of numericals. Okay, so basically some numericals have lot of phases. So which concept will be linked to the numerical particular. So that will be representing tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow. That I'll be updating on a standing science page, right? So far, I think this video is helpful for you, and yeah, so stay connected, and so let's meet tomorrow or day after tomorrow with the new suggested numericals for your upcoming exam, JEE exam 2025. Okay, so yeah, so take care, and yeah, don't be tensed. Solve numerical logically. Okay, so numerical it looks difficult solving, but trust me, it's very simple if you know the concept. Okay.